Hey everyone, this is a quick video on how to jumpstart your Hyundai Tucson. This video is specifically for the 2016 model, but I'm sure it works for other versions. Alright, let's just jump right into it. So first thing, pull the hood. When you get here, you have your jumper cables, and this is the battery area. So it's on the right side, and you can see if you open this, that's where your positive is, and then this is where the negative is. So the negative's super easy. You just pretty much clamp it onto that. It's really easy on all kind of clamps, but the positive one is super tricky. Essentially, you want to try to hook it on this way, but a lot of times it's not even big enough. So yeah, linking it sideways like this on this bolt on the metal part is one of the best ways to link on this. So like getting it sideways and making sure it's connected onto the circular part and to that metal bolt right behind it or right underneath it is definitely one of the best ways to get on this little piece. I've tried every little area and this seems to be the one that really solidifies it. But yeah, the black is just really straightforward. You just put it straight on there. All right, I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please give it a like and please subscribe to my channel to see more great car guides just like this. Have a great day, everyone. Cheers.